Understanding the roles of direct objects, indirect objects, and object complements can really enhance our grasp of sentence structure. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about direct objects. A direct object is the noun or pronoun that directly receives the action of the verb. It answers the questions what or whom. For example, in the sentence, the girl ate the apple, the word apple is the direct object because it answers the question, what did the girl eat? Similarly, in he saw her, the word her is the direct object because it answers, whom did he see? Now, let's shift gears to indirect objects. An indirect object is the recipient of the direct object. It answers the questions to whom or for whom. Importantly, an indirect object always comes before the direct object and requires a direct object to exist. For instance, in the sentence, she gave him a book, him is the indirect object because it answers, to whom did she give the book? The direct object here is book. Another example is I sent her a letter. Here, her is the indirect object, and letter is the direct object. Now, let's explore object complements. An object complement describes or renames the direct object, providing additional information about it. For example, in the sentence, they made him president, the word president is the object complement because it renames him, telling us what he became. In another example, we consider the work outstanding. Outstanding is the object complement, giving us more insight into the work. It's fascinating how these elements work together to create meaning in our sentences. By identifying direct objects, indirect objects, and object complements, we can better understand the relationships between different parts of a sentence. This not only improves our writing, but also enhances our reading comprehension. So, next time you're crafting a sentence, take a moment to think about these components. Ask yourself, what is the action? Who or what is receiving that action? Who is benefiting from it? And how can I describe or rename the direct object? By doing this, you'll create clearer, more engaging sentences that convey your thoughts effectively. Understanding these grammatical elements can transform your writing from mundane to impactful. It's all about clarity and connection. So, go ahead, experiment with your sentences, and see how these components can elevate your communication.